Gemini Defy thermofan oven. If you need to connect it, you will need to get an electrician that is registered with a license number. Otherwise the guarantee will not be valid. And if you do want to remove the cover where the mains goes in, you will need a little screwdriver that will just push in over here and in at the bottom. There's little clips. These little clips, just get a bit of light. Little clips will come loose and it will open. And the connections do look much better than the older Defy stoves, well, at least the ones that I've worked on, because it gives you a good solid connection point on all the three connections.